It's an enjoyable family type atmosphere to work for. And it's great to come to work every day, to have a good place to come to work, that you feel like you're welcome and you're wanted and you're needed. For our maintenance technicians, we like a well-rounded person that can do electrical, mechanical, hydraulics, pneumatics. Whenever we have a breakdown and it's pretty serious that we need to respond quickly to get the production line back up. Because a lot of times you don't necessarily recognize the problem right off. You have to reason and kind of problem solve some issues. So you got to be able to kind of think on your feet and move forward. Zeus is a great company to work for. Like I said, they're a team environment, they're a family environment. They want their people to succeed, and they do all they can to help them. If somebody wants to advance further their career, there are plenty of opportunities here to do that. I have worked 5 other companies, but Zeus is by far the best company to work for, and I will retire at Zeus. I won't go anywhere else. So.